Hi, this is David Brannon, disability lawyer. I'm going to talk to you today about what is the CPP disability application form. After watching this video, you will understand what this form is, how you can find it, and how to use it. Now, if you like this video, please help us out. Hit that like button so we can reach more people. Subscribe so you'll get noticed when we have new videos coming out, and leave your comments so we can get back to you with questions and answers and help other people as well. So what is the CPP disability application form? Yes, there is a specific form. It's a government form that you must use when applying for CPP disability. You can't apply in any other way. You have to use their form. Now, there are two ways to get this form. One, there is a paper version of this form that you can get at any Service Canada office. They have a little package there, and we're going to review that package in another video, but the application form is in that package. It's about 17, 18 pages long, and you have to fill it out by hand. Now, you can also find that application form online as a PDF download. You can download that from the Resolute Legal website, or other sites, including Service Canada, allow you to download that form. However, you do have to print it because Service Canada will not accept you sort of trying to email or send in the PDF version of the form. Now, the second version of the form is the online version of the form. This is not a PDF or anything like that. It's actually like forms you fill in on the website page, and you have to click submit or save. And that is available through the My Service Canada website. And that form on the My Service Canada website mirrors almost exactly the paper form. So it's the same questions. It's just whether you want to fill it out on a paper or fill it out online. So each of these forms, they're broken down into sections, and we'll have a walkthrough video, and I recommend you go check that out as well, where we'll go through it in more detail. But as an overview, the forms generally ask some questions about you and your background in terms of like your address, your social insurance number, that kind of thing. It asks for some information about your children if you have any. There's a whole big section on your medical condition that includes very detailed parts of filling out different types of impairments and limitations that you have. That's the most difficult part of this whole thing. There's a section on your employment where you will have to talk about your previous employment, the type of jobs you had, the days you had to stop work or when you had to stop work, etc. And one of the final sections is on your medical providers. So they'll want to know who your doctors are, what treatment have you received, and if you've had any hospitalizations or other stuff like that. The final few sections are really more about you signing off and giving consent for them to have your information and to pass your information around through their office and that kind of thing. You always will want to sign that, and there's a final signature page where you certify that everything in the application is correct. So that is an overview of the CPP disability application form. You now know that there is an online version and a paper version. You can choose either one to do, and they mirror them. They are exactly the same pretty much, and that you have to fill that form out and send it back into Service Canada. If you like this video, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you back here next time.